There are some great looking Twitter bios out there that you might be able to get some inspiration from. So in this video, we're going to have a look at a few of them, and some of them are pretty cool as well. And that's all coming up right now. So here we are on Twitter, and yes, straight off the bat, I know we call it X now, but I still can't get my head around it. So I will refer to both Twitter and X, and I think everyone will understand, because this video is all about explaining and going through some great looking Twitter bios that you can start modeling and taking some tips from that will help stop the scroll and will help grow your own experience and your presence here on Twitter yourself. So straight off the back, the first Twitter profile that I want to highlight for you to take some tips from is this one, BlkGrlSunscreen. I love what he's done here in his Twitter bio. His profile image, the banner image up top, but it's this part here what I love most. Not a chef, but I play one on TV. Gordon Ramsay calls me big boy for absolutely no reasons. And he's got some, foodie emojis here. From Sacramento, he's got a clickable link. I love what he has done here. He's only got 814 followers, so it's a shout out. Follow BlkGrlOBrien on Twitter. I really love what he's done here on his Twitter profile. Take some inspiration and tips from this one. Moving on to the second one, it's a men's fragrance that goes back decades. I remember my dad wearing this one. I think I might have even bought it once, and I tried to get my son onto it as well, but he didn't like it. Old Spice, simple, straight to the point. The pirate ship or the sail ship, the banner image up here, muscles, smells, lasers and gifts. I think they can get away with telling less about themselves because half the guys in the world and maybe ladies as well, we understand what the Old Spice brands, but sometimes simple is all you need. And if that's all you need, just go with simple. Now, the third Twitter or X bio that I want to highlight in this video is from RecurPost. Now, this is a brand or a business that I wasn't aware of, but they did pop up in a few of the blog posts that I was doing my research on. And I like them because it's easy and straight to the point. RecurPost, what is all about? In their bio, they say, easily manage your social media with our repeating schedules for evergreen content. For people who are, struggling in the world of social media about content and posting and scheduling all of that, this is actually very good. Now, I know there are lots of businesses that do this, but I like this. It's simple, it's neat. RecurPost, I love their profile image with their logo, their banner image, and again, I think they really nail it, explaining in very quickly what they do, who they are, who you are, what you do, and how you help. Moving on to number 4, and this was another one that I found in my research, Ian Anderson Gray, and I love what he's done with his Twitter profile, Twitter/X. Look at his profile image. It's showing emotion. It's just popped straight out. His banner, his cover image, that type of thing. And again, here in his bio, he sums up really succinctly what he does. Dad and husband, love it. Confident live marketing podcast and show, helping you level up your impact, authority, and profits through the power of confident live video. And in the world we're living in, 2024, live video or video in any way, shape, or form is the absolute must that we all need to be now getting confident doing and participating in, because this is what the market wants to see. He's from Manchester in the UK. Again, he's got a clickable link. Again, he's only got 362 followers. I think he should have 36 million. Maybe that's a bit of an exaggeration, but follow and have a look at Ian Anderson Gray's his Twitter/X bio to take some inspiration from that one as well. Moving on to this one, BlkGrlSunscreen. This is one that I found on a Hootsuite blog, and I love it as well. They got their business logo there. Very effective, very visual banner image, cover image. And again, explaining in their bio, revolutionary sun protection factor made for all people of color, paraben free, blah, 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 blah. Reef safe since day one, no white residue, made in USA. I love what they've done. Let's have a look at their updated version on Twitter currently. And they've updated their bio, which is something we all should be looking to do every 3, 6, or 12 months as well. Still got their business logo there. They've now got this, it looks like a loyalty card or a member's card, that type of thing. But everything else is still congruent with what they had previously. I love this one, BlkGrlSunscreen. And from the same Hootsuite blog post, Twitter or X is bio, straight to the point. We all know what they're all about. But look at that, their bio. And when you're big enough and bold enough and strong enough as a brand like Twitter, they're just going with what's happening. Let's start the conversation. They got their logo, they got their banner image as well. They have updated this as well since they've become X. Let me show you what they're now doing. And they're going very bold with just the new logo, black, X, that type of thing. But for brands at this level, for companies at this level, this is all they need to do, and maybe take some inspiration if it works for you. And moving on to the next one, this is from the Sprout Social blog article that I read. Thank you for posting this. sonicdrivein, again, I love it. Their business logo here, their banner image, look at this, get half price drinks and slushies. And again in their bio, get half price drinks and slushies all day when you order ahead on the Sonic app. They're driving people to their app. They've got some hashtags, this type of thing. But inspiration, if you're in this type of industry, this type of niche, what are some of the factors or what are some of the elements that you can take from that? Let's have a look what their current up-to-date one is on Twitter. And they've gone with a totally refreshed brand and image and colors, that type of thing. But this is what the big brands are always doing. Take the inspiration. They're a restaurant, Oklahoma City. You've got your clickable link here. I love what sonicdrivein are doing. Go to the comments. Let me know some of your thoughts on some of the Twitter/X bios that I've showed you so far. And include your link as well, because I would love to maybe feature you in some of my upcoming Twitter/X videos as well. And another one with Alaska Airlines, simple and straight to the point. We've now reached tweeting altitude. How funny, how modern, how clever, how conversational is that? That's how simple it can be here on Twitter/X with your bio. Have fun, show your personality, because that's what it's all about. Your cover image, your banner image, remembering all of this particular bio area, you only get 160 character spaces. If you're an owner occupier, or you're a brand yourself, your job title, keywords, benefit statements, but have fun, show your personality, add emojis, humor, a call to action, but just have fun. That's the world we're living in, 2024, in the world of social media across all of the platforms, and especially here on Twitter and X. And the last one I want to highlight for you is this for business or brand called Honey. I hadn't come across them before other than from their Sprout Social blog article. Simple and straight to the point. The simplest way to save. Install their app, the Honey Smart Shopping Assistant, now available on iOS, and their call to action. I love what they do. Their logo, people would start to remember, or their profile image, they would start to remember over time. Honey as their username and their profile name, they've got that. But this is the last one that I found, which I found, very straight to the point and encouraging for us all to take some advice from. So there you go. Hopefully you found this video informative, entertaining, and helpful. Don't forget to follow me here on Twitter, or if you're watching this on my YouTube channel, you know the drill. Hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment. Let me know where you're tuning in from around the world. I love the feedback. I love all the comments. I try and respond to all of them. Again, if you're watching it on Facebook or LinkedIn or across any of the socials, you know the drill. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a like. Leave me a comment. Mark from Sydney, Australia, signing off. I hope you enjoyed my latest video.